Hello guys, in today's video for the first time we have a tablet from the HEADWOLF brand, which is specialized in making tablets. It is an elegant and lightweight tablet, only 500 grams and 7mm thick. This tablet is completely covered in aluminum alloy and it offers an excellent 11-inch 2K display, a maximum of up to 16GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, UFS 2.2 for faster data transfer speed, 7680 mAh battery. All in all, very decent tablet at a great price. Be sure to watch this HEADWOLF HPad2 Pro tablet review. So let's start unboxing right now and take a look at these contents of this box. Right on the top of the box is our HPad2 Pro. For now we will put it aside. What else do we have here? User guide written in many languages. Here we have a SIM pin, USB Type-C charging cable, and at the end 20-watt fast charger. Now introducing the all-new HPad2 Pro tablet model from HEADWOLF. Below the video you'll find the link with the current pricing and more detailed information about this tablet. Feel free to visit the link, and the prices are incredibly affordable for such a premium device. The HPad2 Pro boasts a spacious 11-inch 2K display. It's equipped with 8GB of RAM and additional 8GB of virtual RAM, totaling of a fast and responsible 16GB in total, with 256GB of storage, expandable even up to 2TB using a microSD card. This tablet provides ample space for all your files, pictures or music. It features the latest and excellent the Unisoc T616 octa-core chipset. It comes preloaded with the latest Android 13 operating system. The HPad2 Pro also stands out with its high-resolution quad-speaker setup, slim profile of 7mm and lightweight design, weight of 500 grams. It supports 20-watt fast charging and is backed by a 7680 mAh battery for extended usage. In terms of camera capabilities, the tablet offers a 20MP main camera with the LED flash, along with the 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The tablet overall design is stylish and premium, featuring a slim and a compact form factor. The complete tablet is made of metal in an elegant grey color, giving an expensive look. Taking a closer look at the tablet's sides, we find the power button, volume buttons and the microphone hole on the side. We also find the USB Type-C port. Then we can find the microSD card or SIM card tray. The tablet supports two 4G SIM cards or one mono SIM plus TF card with the expandable storage of up to 2TB. On the same side we also find two speakers. We can also find such speakers on the opposite side, resulting in total of 4 stereo speakers for immersive audio experience. From the front we can see 8MP front camera positioned in the middle, accompanied by a pre-installed screen protector. The HPad2 Pro's 11-inch display offers a bright and large viewing experience with the near bezel-less edges. With the 2K resolution, 92.2% large screen ratio, further enhancing the visual appeal and maximizing the display area. The 8mm ultra-narrow bezels on the sides enhance the immersive display experience, delivering stunning visuals clarity with the 60.7 million colors. UV Relevant eye protection certification ensures that your eyes are protected from harmful blue light and reduce eye strain during prolonged use. In essence, this screen provides to be excellent for enjoying in YouTube videos, regardlessly of its expensive top-notch display that delivers vibrant colors. Whenever you're browsing various web pages or handling demanding documents, the screen elevates the experience, making it generally enjoyable to tackle your day-to-day tasks, studies or entertainment. The tablet runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, making it exceptional adept at multitasking and seamless app switching. It offers a pure Android experience devoid of bloatware or unexpected ads. The pre-installed Google Play Store provides a vast array of apps, ensuring effortless synchronization when transitioning from another device. The HPad2 Pro allows for extensive customization, including options like dark themes, interface color adjustment, wallpaper changes, and all the modifications supported by the newest Android version. The user experience of using this tablet is simple and incredibly user-friendly. It truly excels in multitasking, enabling users to seamlessly transition between different activities. Gaming enthusiasts will discover immersive pleasure in the wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the built-in potent Unisoc T616 octa-core processor that ensures seamless gameplay across most games, offering a speed of UFS 2.2 flash memory technology and fulfilled by the remarkable acceleration technology. The HPad2 Pro transcends conventional boundaries. With 256GB storage capacity, the HPad2 Pro ensures ample room for all your needs, boasts a sophisticated file storage system bolstered by the compatibility with the exFAT for accommodating large file sizes. HPad2 Pro is equipped with 4 speakers and key-class amplifiers, delivering a truly immersive audio experience. Whether you are watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the HPad2 Pro creates a cinematic atmosphere enveloping you in a rich and immersive sound. One of the most impressive aspects, besides the elegant design and the build quality of this tablet, is the aesthetically pleased camera module with the LED flash on the back. The tablet features a 20-megapixel AI rear camera, which performs surprisingly well for a tablet. I capture a few quick photos and video samples with this camera, so let's take a look. Not to mention we have a 7680 mAh battery with support for 20-watt fast charging that is optimized for all-day use. This large battery ensures uninterrupted use through the all day without any compromises and delivers up to 8 hours of movie watching and 20 hours of music listening. Let's not forget that the HPad2 Pro boasts a very sleek, thin full metal body. Its weight is about 500 grams and a thickness of only 7 mm, which is fairly comfortable dimensions to hold in your hands. The large, beautiful 11-inch IPS LCD panel on the tablet outputs support for Widevine L1. You can enjoy in high-definition video playback from the over 30 major video apps across the globe. This ensures that you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows in stunning detail and clarity. When it comes to performance, the tablet delivers excellently. It offers an impressive up to 16 GB of RAM, powered by a fast Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset. Moreover, it provides 256 GB of built-in storage and the option to upgrade the internal storage space by 2 TB, which should be more than enough for most users. Considering all these features, I believe the HEADWOLF HPad2 Pro is an excellent tablet for various purposes. Built in business, study or work through all day use. Furthermore, it excels in a gaming tablet, allowing you to enjoy the latest gaming titles during your free time. The high quality display and the quad speakers also make it perfect for watching videos. If you are intrigued by this remarkable tablet, and I'm sure you are, simply check out the official sales link located right beneath this video. Hurry, as this special promotion price won't last long. Secure your brand new HEADWOLF HPad2 Pro tablet today. Trust me, you wouldn't want to let this chance slip by. That's it for now. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.